Good, what's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good morning from Canada. Hope everybody's doing well. Gonna go over our friend Matic. Nice bounce off our target zone. Currently sitting at 87 cents, up 6.3 on the day. Sitting a market cap of 7.01 billion and the 24-hour volume 1.63 billion. Let's hop into the charts. We're gonna start here on the 1 hour time frame. So perfect bounce off our yellow box here. We bounced right off the 0.5. And we started to break out. Now we broke this down sloping trend line, which is bullish. So we could definitely see continuation for our wave 5 to take us up in between $1.08 and about $1.23. Currently making some juicy profits on our Matic long trade. If you want my exact entries, exits, and take profits, it's coming in at the $10 membership until the end of the month, and then it will be bumped up to $25 a month. But if you get in now, you're locked in at $10 for life, as long as you don't try to exit and come back in. Recently gave a trade signal for Matic, which is in juicy profits here. Recently gave an Ethereum profitable short, and recently locked in some juicy gains on Gala. So if you want my exact entries, exits, and take profits for my leverage trades, for my spot trades, it's $10 a month till the end of the month, and then it will be bumped up to 25. All right, guys. So let's hop back into the charts here. So if we can see continuation, do expect a wave 5 to complete your wave 3. That could take you all the way up here to about $1.08. And in between $1.08 and $1.23. Now, as I've been mentioning on the channel here, when you go through an ABC correction after putting in a 5-wave structure, usually what's going to happen is the C wave is going to come down to the support of the wave 4 or prior. That's exactly where we came down to, at about 32 cents where we load, and then we just absolutely exploded off that level. Now, will Matic come down and put in a lower low? I still think it's a likely scenario. I still think Bitcoin has one more wave down in this bear market to come down to 11 to 13K. And of course, it's going to take Matic down with it. But if we do pop over here to our next chart, which is here on the 4 hour, perfectly healthy what Matic is doing here. We absolutely exploded, and now we're simply going through some consolidation. So what we have to watch for is a potential double top pattern. We've come up, we've made a top. If we fail to break these highs, we can make a second top. And that could lead to a larger drop for Matic. But if we can put in that wave 5, then we can invalidate this pattern, so it would take you down to about 54 cents. But if we can come up all the way up to $1.04, that next major level of resistance, we can invalidate that double top and still see continuation to the upside. As you can see here, this is the weekly. You can see here on the weekly too, we came all the way down to oversold. There's the wave 4 low, and we're starting to see a little bit of a bounce here. But honestly, look at this, guys, on the weekly, just basically a straight drop. So in my opinion, Matic has been due for a relief rally. We could still see that continuation to the downside. But if we look on the daily here, perfectly healthy what we're doing. We broke out of this cup and handle, and we just absolutely exploded. And now we're seeing some consolidation, some bullish consolidation, which is perfectly healthy and what you want to see. You break out, you consolidate, or you see a retracement, and then you see continuation. So perfectly healthy what Matic is doing here. Now, if we do complete this 5-wave structure, pop it back open to the 4 hour. So if we put in a wave 4, or sorry guys, we put in a wave 5, complete the wave 3, see a wave 4 pullback, and put in a final wave 5, that could be more confirmation that this may be the bottom, and then we put in a large wave 2 pullback and see continuation. I don't think it's the likely scenario. I do think Bitcoin can come down to 11 to 13K, but if this were to be the bottom for BTC and we complete this 5-wave structure, I'll definitely be looking to get in on that wave 2 pullback to add to my long-term HODL position. As I only have 5% of my allocation, I want to get quite a bit more money into Matic. So I'm waiting for that wave 2 pullback. But if we fail to complete this 5-wave structure, that would be more confirmation that we're going to come down and break this low, and quite possibly come down to about 18 cents, which is a strong level of support here for Matic. If we scroll back, you can see here this cluster of support right around 18 cents. There is support and resistance in this area. So in between about 18 to about 25 cents is my next target area for Matic if we do come down and break this low. But if we can complete this 5-wave structure, it could be more confirmation that the bottom may just be in for our friend Polygon. All right, guys, that's it for this one. You can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits at the $10 membership until the end of the month. Recently locked in some juicy gains on Gala. We had a profitable Ethereum short trade, and currently we're in a trade for Matic as well. So if you want my exact entries, exits, and take profits, $10 a month until the end of the month, and it will be bumped up to 25. So get in while you can. And then we also have over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. and you can sign up through the Patreon link. And if you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit. You can check out my full length tutorial for $4,500 in bonuses over there. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.